Okay, let's look at number 13. A conservative force has the potential energy function Ux shown by the graph above. A particle moving in one dimensional under the influence of this force has a kinetic energy of 1 joule when it is in the position of x1. Okay, so we have 1 joule here of Ke. Okay, which of the following statements is correct about the motion of the particle? So, remember, when we have a potential energy curve, we just imagine that we have a marble here and it's going to move along this track. Now, if it only has one joule of kinetic energy at this point, the highest it can get up to is right here, right? It can only gain one potential energy, right? It's only starting with 1 joule of energy, so it can only gain 1 joule of potential energy. So it's going to come up here and then go back down and then just oscillate back and forth. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. Now we just need to eliminate and find the correct answer here. So A, it oscillates with the maximum position x2. Well, that's all the way up here. So that's too high, right? It can't get up there because it doesn't have 2 joules of Ke. It moves to the right of x3. Well, that's even higher, right? So we know that's not right. It moves to the left of x1. Well, same thing, too high, right? It can't move to the left of x1. It comes to rest at either x0 or x2. So x0 or x2. Well, it can't even get that high, and on top of that, the force here is not 0, which means it can't come to rest there, right? An object can only come to rest in the spot where it's at equilibrium, or where the force is 0, which means it needs to be flat, right? And then, E, it cannot reach either x0 or x2, and that is correct, right? It's going to oscillate back and forth here. So the correct answer would be E.